Welcome back to my channel and happy Monday. It is a meatless Monday. Not even an ounce, not even a drop of saltfish is in this cabbage stir fry. All right, stay tuned. All right, so let's get right into it. Just very simple, easy, something you can whip up in less than 10 minutes. I am using a carrot. I'm using a quarter of each of these sweet peppers, the tricolor peppers, the red, the green, the gold, yellow, some thyme, a little garlic, head of, well, actually just a bouillon. It's a teaspoon of the Maggi bouillon. It's vegetable bouillon. And then a sweet onion, salt and pepper. That's all I'm using. So just peeling my carrots, and I am going to shred it with this new cool shredder I found on Amazon, and you can also pick it up off my Amazon storefront. It's a salad bowl. It shreds, it juliennes, it does so many different things, and it's a rice washer. So, and I'll leave that in the description box for you. So I am basically using half of cabbage. Well, it looks like less than half, but I'm using the smaller side. Just gonna shred it right here. It's a shredder. It's a vegetable shredder. Makes life so much easier than using the knife. See how fast you can just shred in no time, and you can also pick this up on my Amazon storefront. And like I said, I'll leave the link in the description box. Just click shop RAINA'S Amazon storefront, and be sure to follow me on Amazon. I'll be live on Amazon, so you get those notifications also. All right, so I'm using this wok. This wok is a nice wok. Also got it on Amazon. You can actually any order you want to put your vegetables in. I am doing the onions, and then I'm adding the garlic. Everything is on medium heat, and like I said, this is ready in less than 10 minutes because I don't like when my vegetables are overcooked. Still want them to have that pop of color, and not too soft and mushy. So that's how I like them. So I'm just adding my carrots, which always, carrots take the longest to cook, so I'm putting those in first, and then I'm just gonna drop everything in right there behind it. So you can just dump them all in if you'd like. I'm just showing you, how I separate them, but just I just like seeing the pops of colors with the vegetables. So all right, so that's it. I'm just gonna let this saute these for a few minutes, adding a little black pepper, adding a little salt. This is sea salt, and also these automatic salt and pepper shaker. They're gravity base, so as soon as you flip them down, the salt comes down, so you don't have to press any button or anything, and you need to charge them. You can also get that on my Amazon storefront under my spices section. Okay, and I'm just gonna add the cabbage, which is what I shred. So like I said, within a few minutes, just add the cabbage and toss that around for a few minutes. Then we're gonna add the Maggi. The Maggi, actually, it's a vegetable bouillon, and then I'm adding like maybe a 1 to 2 tablespoons of water because you don't want it soppy and, like I said, runny. So that's basically it, and I'm just gonna top it with some green onions, or scallion, whatever you want to call it. But I didn't even cover it up for too long because, like I said, the wok definitely did the process. Let me add the rest of cabbage. And yeah, that's basically it. And pair it up with your favorite side. I'm having it with some boiled green banana. I'm having it with white sweet potato and some dasheen. I didn't even make a dumpling, so just go with the flow. You can even have this with rice, or you can have this by itself. It was so nice and delicious. It was still flavorful because the vegetables spring their own flavor, so makes everything perfect. You can, put this in a wrap, whatever you want to do with it. Or if you choose, you can add meat, or you can add some saltfish, whichever one, whatever works for you. Sometimes I'll add a little kale, spinach, just go all out. But this is it. So I hope you enjoy this video, and make sure you drop some comments in the comment section. You know, tell me how you like it, if you've tried it, and also be sure to follow me on my Amazon storefront. I'm also on Instagram at Theraina's Kitchen, Facebook at Theraina's Kitchen, TikTok at Theraina's Kitchen, and also make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while we're here so you don't miss out on any of these great videos. All right, so I'm just topping it up with some scallion, and like I said, that's basically it. I'm just gonna enjoy my meal from here and see how beautiful that looks. Look at my green banana then. All right, so, and the nice dasheen. Oh, dasheen is so good. And the white sweet potato, not nice. So, all right, so I don't know if you just eat it like that or you just crush it up. You know, I prefer this over Irish potatoes. So, yeah, you can just crush it up, eat and go. And that's basically it. So, again, thank you for watching. I hope you are enjoying from here. Let me just wipe this plate off. All right, so that's it. And oh, don't forget to pair it up with some avocado or pear, whatever whatever meets your mind. There it is. Delicious deliciousness, pure deliciousness. So I'm gonna enjoy my meal from here. So thank you all for watching. Have an awesome day. All right, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.